Good morning. It's time for House Calls with Dr. Anuj Chandra, answering your sleep problem questions at 756-1212. The number to call is 756-1212 if you have sleep questions this morning. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Rachel. Always nice to be here bright and early.
I know. Hopefully nobody's sleeping in, though. Ralph is our first caller this morning. Hi, Ralph.
How you doing?
Good. How can we help you?
I guess I got a question about every time I go to sleep at night, I sleep probably about 2 hours, and I'm back up about 3 times a night.
Right. Ralph, anything else? Do you snore? Are you getting up to use the restroom? What about your caffeine intake? Are there any other things? You get up, are you able to go back to sleep? I mean, that's called sleep offset insomnia, which you go to sleep fine, but you're waking up frequently. There can be several causes for that. And, of course, we always keep coming back to sleep apnea, which is, a potentially life-threatening condition. People do snore. So, if you have, a bed partner, spouse, significant other, you need to ask them, or is it, are you just a worrier? So there is, there's many things which could do that, but it can cause for it can be a sign of a major underlying problem, and it can lead to a lot of daytime issues. So this definitely needs to be addressed, in terms of we need to look further.
Let's go to Carmen now. Hi, Carmen.
Hello.
Hello.
Have a question. I am bipolar, and I take medication at night to help me sleep. It usually lets me fall asleep pretty easily, but I don't stay asleep. Come 4 o'clock in the morning, I'm wide awake, ready to go. Is that something? I take Restoril. Is that something that might need to be changed?
And that's a really good question, and it just opens up a whole Pandora's box, Carmen. And, also, what time are you going to sleep? Are you rested in the daytime? Some people can function with 6 hours of sleep. If you are, so one really needs to look at the whole spectrum. Definitely, Restoril might need to be changed to something else, but usually it's one of the longer acting ones. So, there's several issues over here, but yeah, if you're doing it routinely, it needs to be addressed.
756-1212 is the number to call if you have sleep questions. Miranda is on the phone. Let's go to Miranda. Hi, Miranda.
Hello.
How can we help?
I have sleep apnea, and I even take a sleeping pill, and I still don't sleep 2 or 3 hours a night.
Right. Are you using is the sleep apnea treated? Is it adequately treated? And what kind of sleeping pill are you taking? Are you taking naps in the daytime? Because if you're doing that, it's not going to be good for your nighttime sleep. What's your caffeine intake? So there are several things. Also, number one is we've got to get your sleep apnea treated. What do? Do you just stay in bed once you wake up? That's not good. So, again, there is a problem here, and we need to look further. You need to speak to, your sleep specialist, your primary care doctor, as to, what's going on over here.
Let's put the information on the screen for you now. If you have questions about sleeping problems, you can give Dr. Chandra a call. He's on East Brainerd Road, sleepforhealth.org. Get you more information, or for an appointment, 648-8008. And remember to talk to your physician before making any health care changes. Stay with us for Half Off Thursday next.